So they finished deleting, tearing down the garage next door. So the noise is over, in a way. But I won't lower the noise of my Sex Pistols pop punk rock I had on the window to against this whole other noise from outside. So I wonder what my neighbors will say now. Never mind. Goodbye. Destroyed garage. So the noise is over now until I build 2 new houses there in 4 weeks or so. I have to buy even more Sex Pistol CDs to make even more noise. So, never mind. Goodbye, take care of yourself, guys. Everything's fucked up. To my neighbors.